Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to actually create your anime profile picture with this cool website I found called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to sign up and then click on the image AI section here, scroll and choose the anime PFP maker, the anime profile picture maker, and then you can see the image, an example of the image created. So all you have to do now is to just upload your original image here, then choose the style you want. You can always use ChatGPT to ask to choose the kind of style you want. So you can even check from here. We have cyberpunk, Ghibli, Makoto, 90s anime, watercolor. It all depends on what you actually want. Then click on image ratio here to select the particular image ratio you are going for, then hit generate now, and within few seconds your image would be promptly created and you can proceed to download it. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.